Welcome! In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you on how to import your contacts on Snapchat. Follow these simple steps to connect with friends and acquaintances on the platform. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile settings within the app. Next, select Add Friends from the available options. This feature allows you to discover and add new connections on Snapchat. Choose All Contacts to explore individuals from your phone's contact list who are also using Snapchat. This enables you to easily find and connect with people you know. Once access is granted to your contacts, you'll be presented with a list of contacts who are on Snapchat. To add them as friends, simply tap on the plus add button next to the contacts you wish to connect with on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can seamlessly import your contacts onto Snapchat, enhancing your social network and interactions on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide assists you in expanding your connections on Snapchat. Stay connected and engaged with your friends through these straightforward instructions.